Hello and welcome to Nature Heals Daily, your go-to place for simple, natural remedies that support your health every day. Today we're talking about something you've probably never thought much about: guava leaves. Yes, not the fruit, the leaves. They're packed with nutrients and powerful compounds that can do wonders for your body. Let's dive into 20 amazing health benefits of guava leaves, and at the end, I'll show you the easiest way to prepare them for use. 1. Supports weight loss. Guava leaves help prevent complex carbohydrates from turning into sugars, which helps with weight control. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Drinking guava leaf tea can lower blood glucose levels, making it helpful for people managing diabetes. 3. Reduces cholesterol. Studies show guava leaf extract can reduce bad LDL cholesterol without affecting the good HDL cholesterol. 4. Boosts heart health. They improve circulation and reduce blood pressure, both key for a healthy heart. 5. Fights inflammation. Guava leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help ease joint pain and swelling. 6. Aids digestion. Guava leaves help with diarrhea, constipation, and bloating. They also reduce harmful bacteria in the gut. 7. Relieves menstrual pain. Guava leaf extract can ease cramps and reduce discomfort during your period. 8. Fights infections. They have antibacterial and antifungal properties, useful for preventing infections both inside and out. 9. Improves oral health. Guava leaf tea or a leaf rinse can help with toothaches, sore gums, and bad breath. 10. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants in guava leaves protect your cells and strengthen your immune system. 11. Prevents cancer. Some compounds in guava leaves, like lycopene and quercetin, may help slow the growth of certain cancer cells. 12. Treats colds and coughs. Drinking guava leaf tea can help clear mucus and reduce throat irritation. 13. Lowers fever. The leaves can help cool the body naturally and reduce fever symptoms. 14. Supports healthy skin. Applied topically, guava leaf water can reduce acne, dark spots, and signs of aging. 15. Promotes hair growth. Boiled guava leaves, when used as a hair rinse, can reduce hair loss and strengthen roots. 16. Improves sleep. Drinking the tea before bed may calm your nerves and help you sleep better. 17. Detoxifies the body. Guava leaf tea helps the liver flush out toxins and keep your system clean. 18. Enhances brain function. They contain vitamin B3 and B6, which support nerve function and brain health. 19. Reduces allergies. Guava leaves may lower the body's histamine response, easing allergy symptoms like sneezing and itching. 20. Heals wounds faster. Crushed guava leaves applied to minor cuts or scrapes can speed up healing and prevent infection. So how do you use guava leaves? The most common and effective way is guava leaf tea. Here's how to make it. Take 6 to 10 fresh guava leaves. Rinse them well to remove any dust or chemicals. Bring about 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the guava leaves and let them simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea and let it cool slightly. Drink it once or twice a day, preferably on an empty stomach or before meals. If you're using dried leaves, the process is the same, just use about a tablespoon per 2 cups of water. You can also use cooled guava leaf water as a hair rinse or skin toner. Just store it in a clean container and keep it refrigerated for up to 3 days. Nature has a way of giving us exactly what we need, if we just pay attention. Guava leaves are a perfect example: simple, easy to use, and full of healing potential. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Heals Daily, and let us know in the comments. Have you tried guava leaves before? What was your experience? Until next time, stay healthy, stay grounded, and remember, Nature Heals Daily.